me, oh heaven, oh I love you. The sounds are all as different as the lands from which they came, and though our words are all unique, our hearts are still the same. Love in any language, straight from the heart, holds us all together, never apart. And once we learn to speak it, all the world will hear. Love in any language, fluently spoken here. We teach the young of differences, yet look how we're the same. We love to laugh, to dream our dreams. We know the sting of pain, from Leningrad to Lexington, the